Mendeley is the free reference manager which is used to manage and share reference papers and generate bibliographies for scholarly articles. In this video, we are going to learn about how to download the Mendeley. First of all, go to Google and type Mendeley. Click on Mendeley. Here you will find that Mendeley, a reference management software and researcher. Click on that. Here, this is the mendeley.com is the website for Mendeley. On this website, you can create your own account and then you can download the Mendeley by clicking the download. In the desktop interface of Mendeley software, let's see what are the different facilities available in the Mendeley software. Here, number 1 indicates we can add the document to the Mendeley software. So let's see how it works. Here we can drag any PDF file into this main panel and the file will add into the main panel. Using this add button, we can also add any reference. If we select this and open, so automatically this reference will come on the main panel of Mendeley software. This number 2 indicates we can add the folder of a separate documents. For example, if you are preparing one research article, you can give the name of that research article and you can create a folder in the Mendeley software. So let's see how it works. Using this folder button, you can create a folder in your library. So just click on folder. Here you can put any name like nanoparticles of MOS2 and this folder will automatically come in our main library. This number 3 shows sync button. This sync button forces Mendeley to sync all the data or the references in the Mendeley software. This will push any changes you have made in your library. If we click on sync here, so all the data will be synced in our main software. Mendeley software has also given the search option to search any PDF which is actually imported in your Mendeley software. Similar to search option, Mendeley allows you to discover new references. This number 5 indicates literature search. This number 6 indicates all the documents which are present in the Mendeley. If we click the all buttons, all the references will display on your screen. This 7 number indicates different groups. If we click on create group, in this way you can create a group publicly or privately also. Here 8 number indicates the main panel of the Mendeley software. Here you can select any reference and you can open it in a PDF format. Let's see by using software. So this is the main panel area. Here you can click on any PDF file and it will open like this. Here 9 and 10 are the 2 different panels. This is the detail panels and this is the filter panel. So let's see how it works in software. In the detail panel you can see the type, that is journal article, then the title of article, authors, journal name, year, volume, issue and pages, as well as you can see the abstract of these articles too. In filter panel you can give the filter to all documents, such as suppose if you would like to have interest in ACS Nano articles, automatically all the ACS Nano articles will display on the main panel. Here Number 1 indicates we can add the document to the Mendeley software. So let's see how it works. Here we can drag any PDF file into this main panel and the file will add into the main panel. Using this add button, we can also add any reference. If we select this and open, so automatically this reference will come on the main panel of Mendeley software. The third way to add reference is just go on add button, click on that, add entry manually, just click on add entry manually. So this dialog box will open and or you can type in details like title of the papers, name of the authors, journals, years, volumes, issue, pages, abstract and so on. This facility we can use for that particular references in which it is not available in PDF format, such as books, patents and so on. In my library, you can organize all the references in the following format, such as all the documents recently added, recently read, favorites and so on. If you click on all the documents, all the references will display on this panel. If you click on recently added, so the reference which was recently added will display on this panel. Suppose if you read some papers, if you click on recently added, these papers will display on the panel. If I have some interest in specific paper, so I will click on star, and if I click on favorite, automatically these papers will display over here. So you can see that this is the Professor James Tour's papers which are related to improved synthesis of graphene oxide and its correction in 2010 as well as 2018 respectively. So I have make it a star. If I would like to check out the details about these papers, so just click on favorites, so only these papers will display on the panel. Then we also have one facility to add our own publications. So if we click on that, our self-author publication will display on this panel. Similarly, you can add different lists and you can have the list of the papers accordingly. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn how to cite the different references or the bibliography in your research article. First of all, click on references. Here you will find that the insert citation, then insert bibliography, open Mendeley and the style. For example, suppose I have added some references, two references I have added here. Suppose if I would like to add the third reference, so in that case I will click on insert citation. This Mendeley will automatically open because already we have plug-in to Microsoft Word. Then go to Mendeley. Then here you can select the paper. For example, if I would like to cite this, then click on here, then cite the reference. Now you can see here third reference has been added. Now here you can change the style of the references. For example, if I click on style and if I select the American Political Science Association, then automatically the all references style has been changed. You can see here the in content also the author's name and the year has been came, and also the references style has been changed. Similarly, we can change the style according to our journal. For example, if I want some more journals, you can select this from citation style and you can change the citation style according to your research article. Now I will select the nature, use this style and then done, and now all my references has been changes according to the nature journal. So in this way you can use this Mendeley for insertion of bibliography in your research article.